Today, I found a whole box of wax crayons at home. I think it's time to use them for some awesome, useful ideas. For example, to make a pendant with your own hands. If you like jewelry made by yourself, give a thumbs up. Let's go. First, we need to grate a crayon using a fine grater. I'll take several colors to make it prettier. Wow, it's exactly what we need. Now let's fill the pendant base with the shavings. It's coming out really pretty. Now let's mix the colors. I'll need a blow dryer for that. Awesome! Real magic! The pendant has cooled down. As a finishing touch, let's glue a glass cabochon to it. The only thing left is a pretty chain. Voila! The pendant is done!
Wow! Is that an amulet? Can I wear it?
Of course you can. Here.
Yay! Yahoo! A good luck charm!
While Sam is playing with the pendant, I've prepared another idea for you. It will require warm stones, which I've heated up in the oven. Wax crayons are afraid of the heat, so that is why you can draw directly on the stones. You can use different colors. Don't be afraid to mix different crayons and experiment. These pretty stones can become magnets, souvenirs, or part of interior decor.
Where are you? Why do we have crayons all over our house?
Sam, it's my creative process. I feel so inspired today.
Oh, these creative people. I'll go clean up this mess.
Guys, I don't want Sam to be angry with me, so let's make a gift for him. To make one, we need to place a glass with a wick inside at an angle. And then you need to use this kind of lighter to melt the crayon into the glass. Be very careful and ask an adult to help you. Let's repeat the same process with other colors. Try using different color combinations. Make your wax candle one of a kind. I'll even the surface of the candle out with the last color. Look how easy and awesome they came out! Sammy, I've got a gift for you! Sam really liked my crayon gift, and I've decided to make something for myself. For example, a t-shirt. I'll take a large wooden board as a base. Now we'll need a template. I've selected this one and printed it out on self-adhesive paper. Let's secure the template on the shirt really well. I've graded the crayons in advance using a fine grater. You can use one color or several depending on your image. I really like bright colors, so I'm going to use all the colors of the rainbow here. Done! Let's cover our work with some baking paper and melt the picture with the iron. Yay! Almost done! Oh, wow! I like it so much! And you guys? Comment below. I need to try the t-shirt on right away. Oh, it's so hard to believe I just made it with some crayons. It looks awesome. Guys, if you have some old broken crayons at home, you can easily fix them. Let's take this baking mold and fill it with crayon pieces.
Hey, that's my mold!
Can't you share it with our viewers?
Fine, you can play with it for a bit.
Right. Now we need to place our crayons into the preheated oven. And you can watch the magical transformation. The crayons melt and the colors mix. Oh, it's really enchanting, don't you think? When the crayons firm up, you can take them out. We've made some really cool toys! And we can also draw with these crayons.
And play!
Our next craft requires clean, unwrapped crayons. But first I'll show you how to get rid of the wrapping, easy and fast. Add some water into a bowl. And some dish soap. And wait for 5 minutes. Now, you can easily remove the wrapping if you don't need it. Great! I'm ready to start on our designer craft. We'll need this lampshade.
Susie, are you ruining our stuff again?
I want to make it bright and pretty, and actually, it's a surprise.
Surprise, schmurprise! The whole day is a surprise! I'll go eat something.
And we'll continue. Let's apply some glue close to the edge and glue a crayon. And then repeat it over and over again. By the way, guys, if you repeat one of our ideas, write about it in the comments below. Sam and I are always happy to read your comments. Phew! Looks like we've made it, but it isn't done yet. Now we need to carefully heat the crayons, making them drip down the lampshade. The lampshade came out so bright! If you like our new lamp, give it a thumbs up, and I'll go prepare a new life hack for you. If you want to send a letter to your friend or seal an envelope beautifully, there's one cool hack. You can make a seal yourself from a crayon. I'll use this stamp to make an imprint. When the glue gun is heated, it's time to apply some wax. And seal it while the wax is still hot. And done!
Oh, a new letter from Hogwarts for me? And you didn't say anything?
But I…
No buts, give it here!
Ugh. There is no joking with Sam today. I hope he won't mind if we draw a little bit more. Besides, this technique of drawing with crayons is very interesting. I'll stick this cute elephant in the corner of the canvas. You can use any image. And now we'll need a glue gun loaded with a crayon. Let's apply our colors to the canvas at an angle. And let the drawing have lots of colors. Let's add more bright colors. And the final touch. The crayons firm up really fast. And here's our adorable drawing! If you like drawing just as much as I do, give this method a try and subscribe to the channel. Let's draw together!
Aha! Got you!
What are you talking about?
Eating candies without me again?
Actually, I just want to show our viewers a new idea for a t-shirt design.
Uh-huh. And where are the candies?
On the shelf. We'll need some sandpaper and a template for our image. Now, we need to color the whole image really well. This is what we've got. Let's transfer the image onto a t-shirt. We'll press the crayon drawing into the t-shirt. Now let's iron the sandpaper with the crayons really well. Ta-da! It can't get any easier. If you make a t-shirt like this, send us a photo.
If you like Sue's ideas, give her a thumbs up and tell your friends about our channel. Bye-bye!